From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence. We rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF. When the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town. 2028 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From a class Golden Dawn to London City Gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
And now, what would the Numpono baby so? Yet, the amount but a woman who can for so renew. Nipano call warrior on what didn't buy enough wash and I won't know. What the other no? If I should be so for so call Baba who can for so. And now, I won't open so call for away, but why? Uncle for me to do secretly and pay. Make the solution is blow the best way. You have to abandon Blemois or Mabin. Now, all your pain so are quite dally. I won't blame say, I want someone quality. Oh, in fact, was specialized with hopper. Then you'll be a mechanism, say, Madina, my able lawyer, Uncle Ben. And a piano also no go for buy, and they might be the real solicitors. And I never to chum come more. It's a slow. Maybe I will be out to Ben with Fidia now. I said back up and make a 1 year mistake crowd. What the other solve what the amount to pay? Into the obey any foul phone. Let me watch your Facebook and the pay. Search BWF Solicitors or Facebook. Nah, and the payments roll. Nah, you're getting command about cost of also. Not with the frame. And now, so also bet me a Rainbow Radio. Facebook wall. Now, also I should made it be live. I didn't hear about Copenhagen to Jago OPD the second. I am your host sitting behind the console right here. And in fact, it's loud and clear. We're also live on DAB Plus. And of course, the frequency is 92.4 FM. We still remain, and I will still pushing. Don't touch your dial. Oh! And the pay me in here with me, but pay me don't come on the back more. Check your time. It says Saturday 8 minutes past 9. Stay tuned. I'll be back soon.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we'll get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884.
Okay, ebushema will be akwa babiem from the Rainbow 92.4 FM and place the meeting can no ya betwetwe komo yene BWF Solicitors na betwetwe komo na pay opanyini kofa bae or the BWF Solicitors no material Uncle Ben and na no pay ya je penny ana say waje penny oni yen betwetwe komo de won sama we kutiri de ahye wo frejima ebi edi 40 years 30 years in your fani p and Uncle Ben ayaka so be you won sam nya no de amon na wo so tumi enya wo honte ase na pay me so Sam come ya better chana so wo fie but wo no nya wo be call office na ya boa wo e wo nkrata sam wan pe enya yira kwan but modern answer wo be hwe cha kwan e wo 4th floor and house 4th floor and house 214-218 High Road 214-218 High Road 7 Sisters your postcode N15 4NP N15 4NP mature we ye chira kwan am so wo hwe na address a obetumi dia locate and no wo yo bia eba ne se mfa address hwehwe nkrofo na de aya na your difficult account wo no de we hiani GN office number na wo de tenefie feel comfortable unya tibi wonum na waji jada konwenu ma na wa phone no mia pin won he enti wo no be friend was 020 84937340 020 84937340 mami se no mani so bi 020 84937340 yen office liar wo fra no pay obi ba joso na ono atwetwe nkomo na bibia so etumi aye kama and between afra yen emergency liar was 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 wo fra no pay ba joso na yen no atwetwe nkomo emripamu no me de basis etumi ko ho so no nyina de betudwa e de amo na bibia so etumi aye kama na pay kan ho na yen fa enkomo e ba twetwe no and family once again the name still remain Nana Tutujagu OPD the second makwa masuna me ebu lawyer Uncle Ben akoshe nkwatwetwe na se na fe ne de won so e de abore bi ase tumi time coupa na yemfa nkomo no and family good morning Uncle Ben.
Oh, good morning OPD. That to say
good morning Uncle Ben.
That to say
nyamia Uncle Ben pacha na so
adom anopedie Michia Dr. Mark, Chia Rainbow Radio phone, Michia Ghana for where UK, our Bakaya home, Ghana for will be because I Ghana Casa and focus on Ghana for Yadanya asin so say anopay, Wamaya Hoden Nenkwa na yetimi abekamo ho ede odo abodom na yɛba bɛdi nkɔmmɔ. Anɔpa yi nkɔmmɔ no wo a wowɔ ha as skilled worker.
Okay.
Wowɔ ha on a COS. Wowɔ ha as a skilled worker dependent. Wo a wo time ɛyɛ aso a wo feel sɛ yɛwɔ biribi wɔ hɔ a yɛfrɛ no extension. And that focus on yɛ because unfortunately no nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ ma yɛn.
Okay.
Ɛsɛ yɛwɔ ade nyinaa ho tumi na nyɛ ne nyinaa ana ɛyɛ ma yɛn. Yɛwɔ nneɛma bi a ɛyɛ ma yɛn. Yɛwɔ nneɛma bi a ɛnyɛ ma yɛn. Yɛwɔ nneɛma bi a ɛyɛ ma yɛn na mmom wansɔ mu yie a na ɛde problems yɛ abrɔ. Nti ɛna me focus no ɛbɛyɛ in relation to fee waiver, skills ne problems ɛwɔ mu. Me divert kakra nso akɔ nneɛma a happen in the community. Nti OPD anɔpa yi deɛ you focus no ɛbɛyɛ fee waiver nkurɔfoɔ de yɛyɛ asa wɔn de yɛ extension bi saa na yɛahwɛ sɛ na yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ nafa. Nti wogyaa me a mewɔ updates kakra nso a mede bɛma.
Okay, and then before I go update so there, I said that the minimum say Yamina Oma the topic we by and the people so firm the same topic a few with same year. So I think some command course on the before na the OT and now we who the on so and pay my for platform more na update on with the family na yen starting few on the year na you know the artist the topic of the day to that was what I remember quite the more.
Yo OPD and the first thing the person make can say more by nationality application. Sometimes I will be some say monfa evidence mra say more indefinite stay and some almost accept more British citizenship application. And pay me sorry me who some of the update about say more card na no. First and almost after 18 months won't me find show say evidence biom. But see I normally update about say ubeti media show until you are up to 2 years. To be our British citizenship, be and then we need proof say indefinite stay. But our card no a woo card no be 2024 December.
Yeah.
See I was 2026 June. And I 6 months. Nanka June nanka untimi use biom and from proof say indefinite stay. But almost will be to me a year till end of the year until my extra 6 months. Very good because obi o bisano say proof ben or was or indefinite stay na onibi. And my video dear but me pese me te ho kakra. Na sa asem ya be good. Good because bon say ye skilled worker buy especially omo ba ha on the lower skill set a friend of care workers. And then the uncle university da cry na utimi ba. All those 7 him say Ghana for be brako university be good. Mo buy no, omo je mo contractors ebe fa mo free Ghana and mo be good adwuma so no. Mo buy no mama mo COS a kire se obema mo adwuma 40 hours a week. Obetua oka ebi a enfan say £500 a week. Na nka bosome na nka ye be 2,000. Obi wa wa no krachi bi oba ha say no abetena mu for one and a half years. Kapra ya money bi. Case bi aba. Court to say company bia waji obi ewo kromu ha on a COS. Na one man adwuma no. Sa months, weeks, days, years na one man adwuma no. What they call court and say omo be carefree company no ama. Unfortunately, me say my clients be brave companies, but me so no information ba I was say me dem I was see nyina yesua bibi. Enti enai company bi de buy or do buy as a care worker, o buy one ma wadwuma, wa betinem 1 month, wa betinem 6 months, wa betinem 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So that time na yam fan sanka also £24,000 a year no amma. Buy a friend of Sanji. India ni be 2023. Agent Beijing 17,000 ɛwɔ India and ɔde no ba na ɔde no bɛma company no. And sana ɔba no company no yɛ an interview. Ɔmo ma no COS no ɔmo de ma no na ɔmo so mbetua no sika sei ɔmo ma no hours. Ɔba no ɔmo ma no hours no. Ɔmo ma no sika. Wanya hwee. N'ani adi nti ɔde asɛm no kɔdane court. Monday court no say company no ntua no £30,000.
Wow.
£30,000. Yawo difference a company no de waba na onye adwuma ma no wayi wadi. And no totally different. But so within the company no book so na wama wadwuma for duration na wahana ubitimi de na court employment tribunal. May video and me sure say by next week na ba out. Memma reasons I ubitimi de court no. Unfortunately, manka obi beka enti companies na modern crofo ba ya mwentua omoka no. Unfortunately, that's what it is. Enti ideally no we a company now the obi aba no entua na car or betimi de wako court or the court no wini no entua wo fie a obetimi disca na to so aton wo fie no ti mambo mfeel say we niska wo de betua. Unfortunately for us no your community no companies be braid in crofo buyer omamma mo adwuma ombesiu mo sisi a because kwan na bi so omunsiu mo enti ombesiu mo. Unfortunately it is what it is. Enti we a company na obi da oboku sisi a na wo ye ne say adwuma ne wa mesrew kopa adwuma ma no because court ne say obetimi asiu case of Sanji an American no me de we beba ne aye. Enti technical team yenhwe case of Sanji no yenhwe Senate employment tribunal ni yenhwe miyanko page 16 technical team se betimi assure. Yeah.
Before I call no so no card asem na wo can say betumi use card evidence no. Wada man say so yenye say sa card asem ya no.
Technical yenye free so na yenhwe yenti de ekoso.
Yeah. Na omo ka say wo card ni bia no first nanka omo ma wo post the blog mo na omo san de ba say wo bia bubumu na make sure say wo bubu no atu. I don't know. Any way now, more can say about the card now, so that evidence difference be woman. And where to say,
okay. And the only time Ubebubu card the moon say your British citizenship.
Okay.
So your British, I say we hear card in the view.
We hear card.
And you would say we could now talking.
Okay.
And you can say 2.5 years. Near Mao indefinite. We hear 2.5 years card in the view. Until we see
okay.
What is it?
Matthias Yangiben.
Okay. Yanko Sanji versus Swan Care Limited. Case in Mr. S. Saji. Saji Swan Care Solutions Limited. Yanko page 16, 58, paragraph 58 Yanko Hadia. Yamposo. And you had no problem, no warmer care companies are Muntu Yanko for Kano. And you hear or say a failure to pay any wages amounts to a deduction from wages. And to the Obiba, one man is CEO as so be 24,000. Won't Tiano say 24,000. And I won't Tiano hey, and I won't man always be a law no say obetimi as you wajiska. 59 or say where an offer of employment is made subject to conditions and the employee accepts the offer, the contract does not take effect until those conditions have been satisfied. However, the conditions must be made clear to the employee. But so who say, Oba na me fawa, say 1 year police checks in the man file there. That's different. But bear in mind, say police checks, when I was away. 60. Where an employee is ready, a hana a ye key. Where an employee is ready, willing, and able to work, then they are entitled to be paid, even if the respondent does not provide work to them for them to do, unless there is an express or implied term to the contrary. An employee who offers their service to the employer is entitled under common law to be paid unless there is a contractual term saying otherwise. The can say, would the nipa no nya ba kromu ha, and now fa no kromu ha. O man adwuma o, one man adwuma o. Once ono why ready so person ye adwuma. One man adwuma no wentua na car or do court obeye. Technical, young page na meka no. The other page, conclusions. And or say, as to whether the claimant was an employee, the respondent's submission is simply that employment did not commence. They accept that if it had, then he will be an employee, and therefore I do not need to concern myself with a matter such as control. I have found that the proposed start date of 27th of February, and that the offer of employment was made on the basis of that start date. I found that the only precondition of employment were that the claimant was in the UK, had a valid visa, and was commutable distance from the workplace. He was in the UK from the 10th of April. However, he was in London initially and was not until 14th of 23rd, 2023 that he had accommodation in Midlands. Therefore, his employment commenced on the 15th, and the day after, he communicated that to his precondition and met. For the avoidance of that, if I was wrong on that, and being a commutable distance was not a precondition. The can say, once or you're ready, or you're available, I'll bet me a year jumano. O man a jumo, one man a jumo, a jumana started, or no quarter, a begis camano. Ain't all those case we know, one man a jumano, 68 and he said, court in an account, say, I find that the claimant remained an employee from April 15th, 1 year, 21st of April 2024. There having been no withdrawal of the offer from the respondent, nor any dismissal, nor any resignation prior to that point. Yen free ho, and you know, Mr. Remo. Ghana for, but the law is the law. Over the last 2 years, Ghana. BBCB, I said the law is the law.
The law is the law, yeah. And then,
we are care worker. Now we be the Obaha. Now I'm Mawa Juma. I'm in Casabrahao, but call per lawyer. Now only in Dinkita, when I'm on settled case. Because unfortunately for care homes, almost you on Begis care frame. And and I'm a person me train so. Na my video. I mean, him say very controversial, but me a lawyer, and to make up him kuma no makanifa. Yeah, my advice, say more modern crofo bano, more juma, court and say a beji scare free more. So I feel say Eunice ka odi betia, oh dan ya be ton dan no, because me do court na you find on way ntia na oh dan ya me ma ya ton dan no na ya yiska no am a client no. That's what it is, unfortunately. So we name say we need adwuma memfo bi and makasa me man adwuma. OPD updates no I had the debate. You be fuller video near the explain. Ti na you be come main way no so.
Yo, before I bet you call main way so no. Etiefo say am din kankan no. Yane Uncle Ben adwum komo. Bano emblemu a wabin pa. Ono anso no san yakofo ba edema BWF Solicitors and anopia yane no adwum komo. Ti obi a no a passer wa joining na also what draw or submission I say what the prediction at the toho and we put me beyond monituma now what the abania can kind of more now be to me I come the name still remain now not to go OPD second time check 26 minutes past 9 so live on Rainbow 92.4 FM and Ben I feel yentin simon for topic in the infant tune and call for more bioma some second say I'm going to find you more whatever man.
OPD and any topic, you say our skilled workers using fee waiver application as a holding position. The legal risks of buying time in UK immigration law. And we have focus on your skilled workers. More COS, yes, say more use fee waiver at the at time na mum ne papa wom ne boni wom nti na ye papa e na boni nti den ye friend fee waiver nti so we fee waiver fee waiver ye aban nhyehyɛ bi a wahyehyɛ ato hɔ say because say oyɛ applications bi a friend human rights application under article 8 private and family life no a ogiska no otimi giska up to 3,900 na kakra so wunni say sika na woyɛ fee waiver saa fee waiver na wayɛ no ɔhwɛ na wo bibia a wode aba bia no ɛsombo a ɔbɛma wo saa fee waiver no ɔma wo saa fee waiver no ɔbɛma wo code no ɔbɛma wo no woyɛ wo application na instead sɛ wode wo card bɛtua sika no wode code no na bɛhyɛm na kyerɛ sɛ wontua sika no ti fee waiver no ɛnyɛ application a yɛma wasetena ana ɛnyɛ application a yɛde extend wasetena ana ɛnyɛ further leave to remain moma menkyerɛ biribi ase wɔ ha mayɛ lawyer since 1992 kurom ha Ghanafoɔ sɛ yɛka Ghanafoɔ a ayɛ law akyɛ now no akyerɛ sɛ meka mpanifoɔ no ho na yɛ law a yɛstartee no yɛstartee sɛ yɛde boa community no nti wobɛhu a radio since 98 na meba radio a yɛfrɛ no Voice of Africa mene space clothing in fact last week kora mehyia no wɔ Ghana a na yɛyɛ saa radio no yɛyɛ for many years ansa na ahomka ne Rainbow Radio mu nyinaa mɔba ne Hot FM ne saa nneɛma no nyinaa but the import of your program ne sɛ yɛdu educate sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ bɛte aseɛ ɛnyɛ obiara na ɔbɛtie in fact hundreds of thousands potentially up to about 250,000 Ghanaians a ɔmo issue with immigration ɛwɔ kurom ha no ɛnyɛ ɔmo nyinaa na ɔmo tie nti expect sɛ bi a obi tie a ɔbɛka deɛ yɛhu ne sɛ obi wɔ ha a ɔde skilled worker na baeɛ saa skilled worker na ɔde baeɛ no yɛama no 60 days anaasɛ skilled worker na nkasa yɛba abɛgu aka na wɔtwe mmienu na mmienu na awu na wafrɛ lawyer bi anaa wafrɛ pocket lawyer anaa TikTok lawyer na lawyer ne sɛ o mɛyɛ extension ama now fee waiver was skilled worker anaa wo COS ba abɛgu a extension pɛ a wobɛtumi ayɛ ne sɛ woyɛ extension akɔtɔ biribi so fee waiver ɛnyɛ extension enti sɛ obi ka kyerɛ wo sɛ o time na obɛwu ntimi de fee waiver ayɛ extension ama wo ɛnyɛ ne nokorɛ so however because we have fee waiver a chance na ɔma yɛ decision ebi wɔ hɔ a up to 2 months anaa 3 months no obi wɔ hɔ a na ebi a ohia ɛnna baako anaa mmienu anaa na wɔtwe mmienu na obi a promise no COS anaa sɛ wɔhyia ɔbaa bi a ɔmo bɛware na mmom onya a ɛho aka deɛ no ebi a marriage certificate ne divorce no enti na because of delay in no ka o use fee waiver na dia so ne mu kakra for na wɔtwe bosome ana bosome mienu sɛ no na wo ya all those mmra no nyɛ saa na ɛka no ubetimi afa wo ho adi na mɛkyerɛ wo de nti a meso ubetimi afa wo ho adi obi a ɔwɔ krom ha bia no woyɛ application na day na woyɛ application wo biribi a yɛfrɛ no leave to remain nti wasetena no nwui nti yɛmfa sɛ ɛnɛ na wasetena no bɛwu a ɛnɛ ebi a 10 o'clock anadwo wayɛ application a ansa na wasetena no awu ɛkyena a nti ɛbɛwu ɛnɛ yɛmfa sɛ ɛbɛwu 4th of June but 10 p.m. ɛnɛ no wayɛ application which means ɛndu 12 midnight ana woyɛ application no nti once a wayɛ application no ɛkyena no wasetena no awu but because we have our application and send our setena no wu no your law no say wasetena no enwui enti remote control no and by the operation of the Holy Spirit no ya so mu say wasetena no enwui until some be decision enti yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no section 3C ɛwɔ immigration rules nim saa 3C no ɔsɛ sɛ woyi wɔ UK na wasetena no nwui na woyɛ application na ɛba yɛ hɔ na emo wasetena no ewu koraa na because yɛnyɛ decision no wasetena no enwui Enti say we skilled worker, we care worker. Wasetena no be we na why application from ena kopim time on be decision. Wasetena no we. Ba muntie bibi. Technical team, yenko fee waiver guidance so. Na menkyerɛ where a problem no. Enti yempo so ha. OPD Chromo ano ye law ana ye guidance notes. Nti wohwɛ saa guidance ya me de akyerɛ wo ya. Case workers na omo hwɛ application no. Ohwɛ application a form we na obe read. Nti yenko section 3C. Mpacho moma yento ye bo ase ne yenhwɛ ma bo section 3C. Ma bo section 3C. Or say regardless of whether the fee waiver request is granted or refused, the applicant will benefit from Section 3C leave if enti ose oye fee waiver yede ma wo yamfa ma wo once wadi niema a ye bekan enti niema miensa once wadi niema miensa we so no wasetena no enwuda kopem time a ye beye decision na emu ye decision kra na o 10 working days enti niema ben 1 ose time a wo ye application for fee waiver no na o asetena na wasetena no enwu de tosumi you know woyɛ wo fee waiver application no sɛ yɛde ma wo sɛ yɛmfa ma wo wowɔ 10 working days a wobɛtumi de ayɛ application foforɔ 3 aha ana me ɛha me paa no aha ɛne problem na mumu bebree bi mo nka nkyerɛ mo sɛ problem bi wɔ hɔ enti tie ne yie ɔse the only reason ade we bɛboa wo ne sɛ fee waiver application a wo ye no ye bisa wo sa application be na wo koye wontimi nka sa metwen US ana wontimi nka sa me koye student application ana wontimi nka because edi so ade a wo so no say wo ye human rights application either private life and our family life muntie o say wo ye wo fee waiver no wo ka kire en say wo ye family life application wo apply because wo say wo no yere wo ba wo kun ana say wo yare bi ana wache wo kromo ha or say the permission application that is submitted is one of which the fee waiver request was made enti fee waiver na ya de maw ana ya mfa maw now within 10 working days no wo san akoye another fee waiver problem or I don't know case wo ha ya behwe ye nyandu ho but se wo koye COS na wonim say what the way twentwen so na enye family application na wo koye na wo san koye another COS application sa number 3 year wo so yi ebe how because omunya ye decision in the fee waiver won't mean yet another skill worker application bio because almost say wasetena no na che say ewu I just say time a wo ye application na wasetena no ngui bear in mind say wasetena na ewu kra na omoma 10 working days the only time I will benefit from section 3C no say woma otwan no mo ye decision na mehu bebree unscrupulous advisors omonye lawyers aye fee waiver no man can train nipa no say mesrel within the next short period no memma omonye decision because omonye decision e be affect you ube so omatwen no ma ye decision the final one or say submission of a further fee waiver request within 10 working day window will not extend the applicant's section 3C leave. Technical team obetime ye free ho. Me pa mo chew. Asie kyerɛ sɛ 1 mo ankrofo dada mo say fee waiver no eye further leave to remain no enye further leave to remain. 2 Oko paragraph 34 of the immigration rules a valid application.
Okay.
And paragraph 39 na year new suitability grounds na fee waiver a part of an application but a application for extension of leave. Enti woma obi daadaa say use fee waiver na woto wadwen mu na oma omoye decision see yede ma wo see amfa ma wo emwa especially wasetena na ewu. The most critical part amehu nkrofo aba ha obehu sɛ obi ayɛ fee waiver atoatoa so mmienu mesrɛw woyɛ fee waiver ne yɛ refuse na yɛ ma 10 working days na wosan woyɛ fee waiver case of Hussein yɛbɛhwɛ sisi a case of Hussein upper tribunal technical team yɛhwɛ case of Hussein sɛ second fee waiver no wow. Ɛnyɛ wei yɛ Saji Hussein. Case of Hussein no wow. Nti sɛ case of Hussein fee waiver wow a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ very careful. The nti a meka saa no ne sɛ wowɔ ha as a skilled worker na aka 1 day na wasetena ne ewu. Na wokɔyɛ biribi a yɛfrɛ no fee waiver na yɛmfa ma wo na wo lawyer no san ka kyerɛw so because wowɔ 10 days no yɛnsa nyɛ fee waiver na ɛno nso yɛmfa ma wo a na kyerɛ sɛ wo no wokɔ so wo ho damage. De nti a wokɔ so wo ho damage ne sɛ wohwɛ fee waiver guidance na yɛatwerɛ sɛ yɛma wo fee waiver na woyɛ second fee waiver na ɛno no ɛnyɛ application because ɔmo ɛmfa ma wo. Enti mesrɛ mo paa ɛnɛ advice a mede ma obiara ɛyɛ the following. First one no deɛ meyɛ lawyer nti metumi aka because biribiara mu no yɛwɔ tricks ɛwɔ mu. Trick baako no sɛ yɛnyɛ ne yɛka kyerɛ fee waiver no sɛ ɔmo ma delay mmra hɔ. Sɛ fee waiver for no ɔmo mpɛ sɛ nkrofo eyusu na ɔmo de tɔ time a saa fee waiver for no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ sure sɛ saa fee waiver for no ɔmo yɛ ɔmo application na within the shortest possible time no ma ɔmo nyɛ decision ansa na mo ayɛ deɛ mo pɛ sɛ mo yɛ. Once ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛwɔ application. But sɛ wokɔyɛ ekun application ɛyere ɛna ɛba ɛgya application anaa long residence anaa yare a ɛno no ɛyɛ human rights. Nti ɛno deɛ wobɛtumi atwɛn ma fee waiver no ɔmo ayɛ decision. Mesrɛw mɛnkɔpɛ wo ho musuo ɛnsa nkɔyɛ fee waiver application wabra ya reject baako no a wasetena na wu. Second time no ti yɛhwɛ case of Hussein. Case of Hussein meka paragraph 34 mobɛhu sɛ ɔmo aka wɔ case of Hussein. Enti ɔmo sɛ yɛnkɔ enti yɛnkɔ decision. Enti yɛnkɔ dismissed. Ɔsɛ the tribunal dismissed the applicant's judicial review. The tribunal held that a fee waiver decision is not a section 4.1 decision and the 2000 order presumption do not apply. For paragraph 34G4, receipt includes successful delivery into the applicant's provided email system where there is evidence of delivery. 3. The applicant did not submit a completed immigration application. The applicant did not submit completed immigration application within 10 working days of receipt and therefore could not benefit from Section 3C. Implications. The direct consequences are that applicant's claim is dismissed. The applicant was ordered to pay the respondent's cost, and the tribunal refused permission to appeal. The tribunal emphasized that its interpretation of receipts was applied on the facts before it. Decision does not create an extension of statutory powers beyond their terms and does not purport to create a broader rule displacing existing statutory. Yanko. Enti mohwɛ ha. All the decision is saying is yanko yenyin free technical. Ade a decision no can say woyɛ fee waiver na yɛmfa mma wo na wasetena no awu na wanyɛ application a wo so wobɛyɛ no one wɔ problem. Two, wode another fee waiver kɔtom a woyɛ illegal. Nti sɛ COS na wɔyɛ a wɔ problem wɔ hɔ. I must add, sɛ ma yɛ case ma nipa no COS na awu for 1 year 3 days yɛde maa no, but ɛno yɛ exceptional circumstance. It's 1 in a million. And yet, nkurɔfoɔ a wɔbɛyɛ successful no, because unfortunately no, obia ɛwɔ peculiar circumstance. Ɛka sɛ obia wɔ peculiar circumstance. Case mienu ɛnyɛ pɛ. Nti the fact sɛ meyɛ case a nipa no COS awu for a year plus a yɛde maa no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wodeɛ no awu 2 days more than 2 weeks a yɛde bɛma wo. ɛno ne advice a mede ma obia.
Okay, and only advice I had more beer and pay Yane Uncle Ben at the Trum Comono. Okay, Miniam Biahman, but course in the bar neighbor. Maminshe, na Yane call away into Trum. But before there, it was Gusa would say Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Yeah, live for DAB Plasma, tuning and so yeah, live. Used to me live for Facebook. Rainbow Radio UK, Facebook war. So yes, I'm so streaming live for BWF Solicitors, Facebook war, anyone with YouTube war, and appear which me actually made in beloved. And pay Makwa Humana so na many first call according to Uncle. But before there, no 0208 2260 484 0777 19 50989 0777 50989. Hey, your WhatsApp line over to me. Any message you first so abasa so to me I record the voice so the abai bebo. Any amount of you say to me come 02082260484. Hey, studio liar. Over to me after na you want to come on abi say to me come on. Pay. Oh yeah, your first caller. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, in Patrick.
Good morning.
Okay. Sure.
Hello, good morning. Oh no. Man, she said to me in Yana. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, but you want to say?
Yeah, Nyamia do you pa? Pacho, over to me up a jaw and then come and Uncle Ben.
You're very Patrick.
Sure.
Uncle Ben, yeah, that was Yamin Shaw. Oh yeah, savior. OPD was Yamin Sham. Again, intimate chino and said that.
You manage.
You better make up also. Yeah. So, me application and yeah, some application I raise exceptional complex issues until money at time. I did about I make kindness yeah supplementary Juma 20 hours no so Accra 4 times. So but me also did that. But me jai.
Unim. Well, I know a becky pow. I think say chili be the Kenya Kibem yes and Kiben. It's a cover with Chow Hoka and they actually. Yeah. Okay, and we are now. That's not shall with chicken become my
okay. Let me just application. But natural reply say application raise exceptionally complex issue in Jomunia. Me just there mere mechanism supplementary work my year 20 hours there for monthly we look at. So imagine Edmi Pocos area Nintina Banim of me here lawyer experience. What does he know about that? So apply or much say they are waiting for this decision.
So why application now almost say raise a complex issue? It could be one of many things. It doesn't mean say be born be wo. Ade a kire ne set time almost for some bit me especially for skilled workers, I am
Yeah.
applications no mo hwe ne ntem. Enti say omu ntimi nhwe ne ntem a ene nti no ma twere no menye too worried about it. Why?
Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, yes, yeah, that's a yeah.
Lawyer me Jody para, so I'm always following you. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, me sure pa ne wodia wo de ba yeah, that's it. Na young pa masini sanko for your next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Black pay, I want to say.
Adumo, Pastor Amoswe.
I don't know also bon something me go aso I don't know pay. Yenti we.
Me chance best. Pastor, my first question here, your EU dependent. Na Pastor, mo de visa ne ma me e wo Ghana May 2021 and I'm be mu June 2021. Na Pastor, your friend is this year 10th June and I'm 5 years as EU dependent, you know. Na mpacho me check me statute now me buy any nyina no o mama me say I can work till 31st of January 2027 by me 5 years in there me back room 10th of June 2021 because this June 10th and I'm 5 years by me name then see mama me up to 31st of January 2027 no but me patch say person me salary say do 10th June now patch me me indefinite na this month patch up.
Yes, over 5 years ni na or proof or system nim or documents such as what and a half 5 years. ABR P60s, pay slips, bank statements, council tax, NHS records. So what and a half 5 years? I will be to me here. The entire what don't know where children say, oh yeah, application or so date on them out 5 years from this date no. Or no calculating from date now the buyer. But so who will prove so what and a half 5 years? Will be to me your application. And this our train. Why?
Mpacho yo na mpacho ntino 4th May na omede man me o 4th this and omede man me am be na start if you are na say mpacho dey am dey be mu wo kromu ha say na
After the opposite will confuse you now. What can then come say who be ha June? After the also be come. Ah.
yeah we dem mpacho
Oh.
obi na o confuse me wa say die dey visa ni man wo fie na account na man
David. First one I'll can correct. Why? Oh, as I'm saying, oh yeah, watch your correct answer. No, if you're not wrong answer. What?
Ntipacho interface me fra mpacho yi na automatic na say was application.
Mpacho was so yeah because the automatic can come the amount of that. Into why was so yeah. Okay. Absolutely. No problem. Yeah.
We na utum say nipa no ha nipa no say ya mko di fufu na jojo so say. Oh. Martin, you sure pa, you sure. Young Kwaf Masini ni for your next call and continue. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Black what is it?
Yanko Fandom Passion now, so
I don't do also something in Miguas, what Uncle Ben, I want to you.
Right, thank you very much. Pastor, me per se, maybe some lawyer say, me was skilled worker visa, so health and care, which was issued in the year 2023. Na me per se me cover me dependent, I am a wife, Eba. And per se me visa lawyer say, me no ebe throw English exam and na so ebe throw English exam, per se me who the type of English exam or throw.
About your skilled workers, dependents, and draw English exams. Why?
All right. Thank you very much, lawyer.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. You don't also ask. You don't also ask. Okay, young Kwani and the next call. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Mo, I know what your voice, Mama.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
But for the Kevin economy, Hardy.
Good morning.
We speak and come say we 18 inches. What boom come up? And pay me into what I remember.
I'm here a gift for you. I'm here lawyer. Me patrol me question about fee waiver. The patrol lawyer fee waiver has made the It me chair through saying ansana about.
Ɔhene fee waiver you need days ɛkyɛ ebetumi ayɛ 1 week ebetumi ayɛ 2 weeks ebi wɔ hɔ a etumi di bɛyɛ 3 weeks ebi wɔ hɔ a 3 months mpakyɛw mesrɛw paa mo ho nti na ɛnɛ ya focus no wonim sɛ wontumi ade a wode twentwɛn so de ayɛ no wonim sɛ within the next month or two ɛnyɛ yie a mɛmfa w'asɛm nkɔ fee waiver so because nkurɔfoɔ no a ɔmo boa mo no ɔmo nka nokorɛ no nkyerɛ wo menim ɔmo motive but I can only assume sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a weekend as or pesika kɔma chop money enti ɔno no ɔnka nokorɛ no nkyerɛ wo sometimes ɛyɛ yɛka nokorɛ no ayɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree sɛ o yɛka nokorɛ too much to be frank sɛ ade no yɛ blue a menim deɛ nti a wɔ sɛ yɛka kyerɛw sɛ yɛ white because sɛ woyɛ fee waiver na wonim sɛ wonni hwee a mɛmfa w'asɛm nkɔ so mpakyɛw fee waiver ɛnyɛ further leave to remain fee waiver ɛnyɛ extension enti sɛ me ne nkurɔfoɔ a wɔn asetena ɛreba abɛwu wɔn yɛ skilled workers dodoɔ no akasa a ɔse lawyer adan na ɔnyɛ fee waiver wɔn nyinaa meka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ menyɛ ifa guy baako deɛ ɛm sɛ ɔkaa sɛ menim asɛm a ɔpɛ sɛ meka but listen me meyɛ lawyer okay meyɛ regulated sɛ meka asɛm kyerɛ wo na nyɛ law na mewɔ big problem both reputational damage and also professional and ethics because it leads to incompetence. Nti yɛn no yɛ very concerned sɛ advice yɛde ma wo no yɛ correct. But meyɛ aware nso sɛ fee waiver ne delay wɔ hɔ. Nti obi wɔ a no ohia bosome na awɔtwe anaa na awɔtwe mmienu bi de atwitwa no ho. Wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no a it's up to you. But deɛ wobɛyɛ biara no memma fee waiver no ntwam ma wɔn nyɛ decision. Ka wɔn yɛ decision a ɛde problems bebree ɛbrɛw. Nti wonim sɛ wobɛyɛ fee waiver no a mɛnka sɛ o ma obi ndaadaa wo sɛ ɛdi 1 month anaa 2 months anaa 3 months. Obi koraa deɛ ɔsɛ yɛka kyɛn sɛ ɛdi 6 months. Obi nso sɛ ɔsɛ yɛ fee waiver ma me nneɛma me extension. Nkurɔfoɔ daadaa nkurɔfoɔ. Monyɛ very 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 careful. Obi wɔ hɔ a sika a ɔgye afiri wɔ hɔ no ne ho hia no ɛnyɛ wɔ life no. Nti moma yɛnyɛ extremely careful na yɛnyɛ sure sɛ fee waiver na adeɛ a yɛsɛ yɛmfa nyɛ no ɛne ne yɛde yɛ na yɛmfa nkɔyɛ biribi foforɔ. Why?
Yeah, lawyer, me like idea man me because it's over 20 years still. That's why. Yeah.
What's it overstay a yɛde?
He said obi a what na have 20 years overstay. Or no ni fee waiver, is that correct or no so ka the whole can?
We are correct, Papa. Mohona. Well, I don't mean what specifically. Omo ye private life application, long residence, family life application, a yiri ikun eba ena eja. Omo ni ye fee waiver ma. Ya nye fee waiver ma skilled workers. Enti almost any ye ma omo. So wo pese wo fee waiver na ye ntema ma wo niema ni nyina 6 months bank statement no. Ma na enko show. Neska bia wo ma ye more than £200 no. Explain it. Yes, I know fee waiver no kwa within 1 month, 2 months na omo the amount.
Okay, lawyer.
Okay.
That's fine, I mean sure.
That's okay.
Okay, yes, so yes, yeah, okay, right. We are still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM Busia. Medini that's so then na to Jago OP the second. Yani BWF Solicitors na edition komo Uncle Ben. And I have cover by Edema Edmokoya Nana Pay, you know, to Komo. Oh, Humano, so, Intio. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, what's your name?
Pacho,
why your voice? I'm not voice of phone power.
Good morning.
Yeah.
What's your name?
For Sisia, the middle of power. I'm meaning to you.
Yeah. I'm Pacho, the lawyer. Now, my friend is my wife, na you should come into the emergency and the corporate industry. At the application, and now I'm going to try to date now. Our young boo, almost some ọba no proof bibi so wo pum ha but me call ya no ọba na amfa amame wa amame eyi bia so on to me ye kikem nti on me ni asem bia but no kwani na ebeso January ebeso January that aware de aware na abro nfi no nti amaya ta rodro ampese mi lawyer next year January no but just let me asa akọ me indefinite now or let me amame ka mo hin oba no bibia
Oye, one hour ya na lawyer na ya ma.
me touch lawyer na man
Enti wo ne lawyer no nkasa. Ka che ne se opa ne chew. O ma ne ink no enkom kakra. Because the omo ne wo ka no ne kra no anya saa. Yes, say wo ye retention of writer. Niema miensa na wo se approve. One, I was say approve say we ja aware. Two, I was say approve say date na wo ja aware no na oba na abema no na owo krom ha. Three, mo worry no 3 years aba. Obetimi assure say at least motena krom ha for 1 year. And into no mo bisa our evidence no. But ready omo guidance notes no. Omo say na emum enye obia no benya sa evidence, especially domestic violence wo ho. Ana omo jai one nipa na oye yi ne ni contact. Nipa a obetimi ehu ba bia oba no te se watena ha na ontena ha home office. Home office ewo ehye under the law. Sa law no se wo na wo ye application bibi boni wo mu yemfa nsa wo criminal record ana ba bia also ye adwuma wo nya adwuma wo be nso no ba akɔhwe aka akira wo se oh wo criminal record ana ba bia also ye adwuma na nya no kresa wa ye adwuma yakɔhwe o records ada na ɔmo nkɔhwe ma me records na ɔmo mfa nye sa ade no nti lawyer no na wo se o refer ɔmo to one sa law no, two the guidance notes, three the enti a wontimi nya ɛna ɔmo nhyehyɛ a ɔmo ayɛ no enti wotwa next year wotwa next 10 years so wotwa next 20 years so once a waka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ wagya aware no still ɔmo bebisa wo saa asɛm no ana still no woyɛ wo application na wo ne ɔbaa no agyae na time ɔmo de ma wo no aba koraa na ɔbaa no na still ɔyɛ wo sponsor because wode ne din ne ne nneɛma ɛbɛhyɛ mu ɛyɛ key sɛ wobɛsolve problem nti wo ne lawyer no ndi nkɔmmɔ sɛ lawyer mpakyɛ wontumi nsolve saa ha no ma me na twerɛ law nkɔmmɔ a ɔmo na ɔmo ndi so na ɔmo nhwehwɛ ade no ma ka home office na wɔsɛ hwehwɛ ma ɛnyɛ wo na wɔsɛ hwehwɛ why okay good luck.
Okay, yes, so that's it. I'm also there with the buy and I pay. Time check. Says actually 10 o'clock, and we are still live on Rainbow.
Open the any questions now about Facebook.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, call us now. I was super na you are na your mom on some brand. Yeah, sort you almost with your mom. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, about what I want to say.
And
I pay Yamia do meteor voice. I'm saying when you're chocolate to be under, and I found make a cry. Unya be near, and the woo pay na my son on the other could be why. I don't know. But our voice, you know, a voice will wait to my pajam clammy.
Ah, okay.
More Yamin show. And we do papa, ain't you?
Uncle Benjamin show me, but maybe some with Uncle Benjamin. Me that religious number one religious will be a religious worker. Ah, yeah, root in 2 years by 1 year in the bedroom. As so young uncle was say, you always you and my renew. And plan like I send it you was a son. I know my lawyer here fee waiver my fee waiver in your response, which was or say my 14 days to do application. We paid the lawyer that day. Say lawyer no every fee one responding within that 14 days no. And my name in chemu. And to be a friend back no. Na any ban who say 1 year application. Okache say and katana say. And now I was say yes switch yes and ke best switch their cost skilled worker visa. But because of my a waiver and stay in the man switch. Into Okache say you renew a 1 year na can. Yaya application akotum. Waiver no more than my no more than my my husband yetimi adwuma within 6 months. But near insist to say and come out on my men so now on ye application in my as a lawyer no on my own who crew room why and may trail to the home office me say but near can for no or be your application Yakobe and Sano on the 26th of May. But at this time to me share code. My husband into me near Juma. The company no I be son share code. Your free home office for beside say visa bena near that's one son I application you can say waiver. No say young fire application a unique number no. Emma company no. Ombema my husband a resume work. By a year and the company say on tia say until say bit me share code no moon to me allow my husband my name Juma. What's next year almost a month. Yeah, you're saying to me share code and home office for you take a decision. Lawyer must your friend now on picket. But for not test so I'll call you back, sir. Into one the question is say, is there any hope? Say your application you bring a good response. And I say Anna a young chain for how long near to me and your response. Secondly, in person as a lawyer no, is there any way bet me as you nana for damages our cost because what ye trianica and a 1 year juma. But your questions
Okay, Ohima. First of all, apologies will go through. The problem is visa application no a tochewa problem is deba ebine se wuntimi anya adwuma. Enti I can feel pain and will go through, especially so be your rent to pay adwuma na wo kuntimi nya adwuma no. Yes, lawyer ye mistake will be to assume, but I was so your lawyer because in America you were TikTok lawyer, you were pocket lawyer, you were lawyer onkuta day, and you were lawyer or your lawyer and kasa. And into me you're very careful say, yeah lawyers no. My friend Crawford more lawyers lawyer because I am deceptive. Obi nye lawyer, non qualify as a lawyer. Now friend lawyer who deceive you because obi the nasamo commander or feel say or your lawyer into BBC obi timi asu. Say lawyer be your case. Now I say okay, so obi timi asu. I possible say obi timi asu. That way no so o problem no ne and case na ya no. Say we fee waiver na ewu na wanya application within 10 working days. It create problems. Problem ni be say we lose wadwuma and na we nya share code. Sana omo kan no in certain instances no. So we nya share code I was say adwuma ran or ye be a friend of right to work checks. Right to work RTW. Who call online na obi ho. Ukra obetimi ayama no. But ombe bisa say adwuma ben na oye we no mo hia adwuma ni email. Aho na ye be a problem no. Ti metimi aka ja so pa ma wadamfo bi nye. What do details nyina be man na wukun details. And mo be fill a form online mo de kwa. Within 1 week, home office be email mo back. Say yes, ukun betimi aye adwuma na ontimi nya adwuma. Because online technical issues ewo ho. 2, obi wa no wa setena so be hu say adene say ontimi nya share code. 3, obi wo ho a na between say oya an application okobọ ne nsa na niema bebree asi na online na aye automatic checks no na free so. Tiano no be paper right to work checks ntia no betimi aye. The other one about say application eba kusise and I kusise and the mintimi nkyere. The only thing I met me I can say so wo ye application na days kakra abem na be a lawyer na mistake na days ka most often no aya home office entry one so aya still on the mouth o qualify nko ade a aya on the mouth enti only lawyer no nkasa na say obeye right to work checks na mouth and I say ontimi nya what dey pe wadamfo bi timi akọ online no aya ma why yene asida.
Okay, yes, that's the party. So the about yanko almost and never can come message in be pie. Your mom, Rene, yeah, so I hear me who said me how do you call it? Jesse, Frank Jesse. I send him message. No, that send me WhatsApp and one also or the Facebook. Into my man can be Marshall or idea, mommy. But mommy call Masuna and call away and hello, good morning.
Hello, Opini, good morning.
Good morning, Brapper. Now, what to say?
Sorry, I don't know. The other call.
Yeah. Voice CD, I say, Michelle until and
I watch you account.
Which you papa and Yaka Club, papa. The Ube to me, Bium Kakakawana, whatever. Wouldn't be Mammy Fro, Mammy, I mean Fro, not why now. Because line engine and Yamunya cra, Mentessia cra. Why, what I would mean to me, why? Yeah, okay, right. We are still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM and pay the BWF Solicitors and Action Command Pay. And Uncle Ben, on our coffee by Eddie Made Mukoya and Anna Piano to Uncle Ben. My most man enough, message about a friend, to me enough, Yenshana, Mini,
yeah, technical team, Yanko online here.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mandy. I say, good morning, lawyer. Please, you're married someone in UK. Can you go home? You stay possible or not? Oh, sorry, Mandy. Bacho. I mean, him say, bro, we do, but sometimes, my yeah, I'm in tears. It's actually be why. Yanko, next question.
And Ben, so overshare, Frank Jesse, dear Mamma, was sending a mamma how about.
I say, please, good morning, Uncle Ben. I salute you, OPD. My employer was unable to provide me with working hours and subsequently cancelled my sponsorship, stating that I was no longer working for the company. The Home Office has given me 60 days to find a new sponsor, and my leave is due to expire at the end of this month. I've now found a new employer who's willing to sponsor me, but they expect to issue a certificate in July. What are the chances of obtaining an extension to allow me and my wife to remain? Sir, new sponsor no or my letter na or kase or your willing so be sponsor but obey issue COS July. Obey me the letter na your application. My wife, who is my independent, has also received same letter. Yes, because munyina mo the same visa no so no so me 60 days. But sana ya kan no saa nipa no a wayi we free na adwuma so sɛ ɔma adwuma wobɛtumi asu no why wobɛtumi de na complement tribunal no agye compensation. Next one sɛ yɛwɔ bi wɔ hɔ a technical
young fat caller with nothing you and I caught next one so now quite indigenous super. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Nyamia do me who ya pa na won so
Abdum.
I don't know sir Brodo Bishop ma na voice in black kama mami wada wama.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The patron who the uncle?
Me who you?
Abdum. As the patron say, we are Jumama company be. Na company no excess tenafie suspension. No more investigation. Na say womu jaw ketua. Obetumi asi womu ana. Adaroma.
Oh, somewhere investigation na or suspension. Depends on what contract. Ideally, or suspension, I will see 2 hour. Someone 2 hour obey me, I take you on to see a you would know. I was a company in 2 hour.
And the way they were from the Aquania, I did you, and I was there.
Mate, not a yama, Kodama,
okay, next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
good morning.
What's it?
No, yapa, namuswe.
I don't know those in Pacho
Right.
Yentio.
Yeah, I'm on family path or route since 2016, and I mean, yeah, my first 2.5. Then I was advised to go on the 5-year route, and we tried, and they never gave us on that until this year. Then we decided to do free waiver so I can go back to the family route. and we have been waiting for the fee waiver response till now. So I'm asking, should we wait for a fee waiver or we should make the application going back to the 2.5 route in the family route?
So you are on 2.5, right?
Yes.
And when you say family route, you and who?
I have a British child.
I know, but who and who are applying for the family route?
No, just me.
Okay. So
I have a British child, and through the child, I'm applying for a stay.
Okay, so you're on a 10-year route. You want to switch to 5 years?
Yes, which I did in 2018.
And then they put you on the 5-year route.
Yeah, the response came negative this year.
You applied in 2018, and they made a decision after 8 years. How?
I'm telling you, sir.
You made an application in 2018. Are you there?
Okay, I'm saying what we feel maybe. Okay. What's your car? Hold on for me. I'm coming. Just a minute. Okay. What's your car?
Hi.
Okay. Yentio. Whatever.
Yes. Lawyer, me say, through me a British child. And mommy first 2.5 in 2016. Then after the 2.5 and me call a 5-year route. Me yes application on my memory results still this year. And which was negative. So now I want to go back to the 5-year route. I mean 2.5 route. But I've done fee waiver and I've been waiting for the fee waiver till now.
Okay. And the first
what
one
the advice you give me.
First one on the mile year, first 2.5.
2016 March.
But what did you
no, July 2016.
Until July, we know when you're 10 years, no apply for indefinite. Why?
So should I wait for the fee waiver before I apply for the indefinite, or I should?
It doesn't matter. When you do July, with fee waiver number and buy or apply for indefinite. Why?
2016, I will see 2026, and I say 2017. 2027, sorry.
So, July 2016 to July 2026. How many years?
Yes, first, yes.
But how many years?
This will be 10 years now. This July come over 10 years.
Absolutely. Anything I say apply for indefinite leave. But indefinite leave, fee waiver, into apply.
Without waiting for the fee waiver.
Let me repeat myself again. You've applied for a fee waiver. Whilst your fee waiver is outstanding, you are already on your 10-year route. The 10 years was granted in July 2026. The fee waiver has extended your leave, or you still have leave to remain. You can apply for indefinite on the 10th year. In fact, you can apply for indefinite 28 days before the 10th year. So technically this month you can apply for the indefinite leave. I was so here with English and the life in UK. And by all person train it's up to you. But yes, 10 years now soon. Because we'll see our first one, July 2016. Okay?
Yes, sir. Now, listening to your explanation to fee waiver, so the code for payment, what will I do? Will I do the payment if I do the application now, or what will I do in terms of the payment?
Which payment are you talking about?
The application fee.
Which application?
Now, you've advised me that this year, July, will be my 10 years. So I can apply for indefinite leave this July or before. Now, I'm talking about that application, the fee for that.
So the fee waiver,
I'll wait for the fee waiver results.
The fee waiver you applied for, what was the fee waiver for? Was it for indefinite or for 5 years?
is to go back to the 5-year route. But because as you explained, I'm now in the 10th year since I got my first one.
I think we
so
should
if I'm
stop.
going to do the indefinite, I would have used that fee.
I think we should stop confusing ourselves. I'm sure you know the answer.
Yeah.
You've made an application for a fee waiver for 2.5 years. And I've just told you that in July this year, you would have been here for 10 years. So you can apply for indefinite. There's no fee waiver for indefinite leave to remain, apart from people who are applying for domestic violence. Okay? So don't confuse the two. You will have to find money and pay for the indefinite. Okay?
Okay. I get that now. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay,
right,
thank you too. I think
thank you.
Yeah, I think say what's in one kakra. So won't you say so Bibiani amede yan office line betija made address na dey betija nti me pamana won't wait to me the allocate here na Bibia say to me I come. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Where Patrick two floor by full floor train office.
Yanti begin no the washa senior ba kumpamba wada ba onyina ye kakra.
Hello.
Ana san flip bi why san flip wada emu kura san flip bi why na menhwe why wada woman why. Okay. Uncle Ben, you actually message kakra in saka wana yan fan so na.
Okay.
I'm so wasiaba. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, so who sponsorship I aspire a new company. House my strategy my full time.
Very unfortunate. I think I don't know. So my friend on my call, I don't remember why. Now, yeah, imagine me and you come. Facha me pa yento nka yenti. So my friend on my call, na no moment to my na yeah for and so. Uncle Ben, me yenti we na yeah share na yehu dey be whatever.
Okay. Benim say opese okay. Mustafa Kuma, please, lawyer.
Yeah, hence your message in Kakre, and I call Pamela one after
I said, please, lawyer, if you switch to different visa routes, but your previous years still count, or you need to restart and start counting from. Well, it depends, Musa. So if you came here as a spouse on 2.5 years, and you switch to a new spouse, of course, so that will add up. If you came here as a student and you switch to a work permit, your 5 years start from the work permit. If you came here on a work permit and you left that sponsor and went to another sponsor, now, 5 years now, I bet count. And route to be I was say route no. Into a family route 5 years. Or skilled worker route, skilled worker 5 years. Student encounter towards 5 years. And graduate route encounter towards 5 years. That's the only difference. Technical. Sebini Kofi Nat, please, lawyer, can you do fee waiver twice while the person was working when he was given the 2.5 years? Well, if you've got leave to remain, yes, but if your leave is expired, you only have 10 working days to put in an application to save your 3C. At Karim Zina, good morning, lawyer. Please, when you are married someone in UK, can you go back to Ghana or stay here? Oh, Karim, I am on Mwamiona. Wait a minute. Okay. Kofi Asamoah, can I use bank statement, pay slips, HM revenue and customs letter, P60 as dependent on skilled worker visa, NHS to apply for ILR? This is because we never rent a full house and we don't stay together, but my address is at the same house. My wife. Kofi, now why baby a question in public, me a lawyer na me kokan. Now you between so now you we never stay together. The men can be over beer and patch up. Why? Because also we'll prove somewhat together. My name is Asadi Yanko Pamela.
Yeah, Yanko Pamela na fi Pamela so kwaji potokasa na fi for reading yam Pamela, so why you crowd let's from you?
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Wusu. Good morning to our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is mainly for skilled workers. Our topic is Are skilled workers using fee waiver applications as a holding position and the legal risks of buying time in UK immigration law? So, to begin with, it's important to note that a fee waiver application is not an application for leave to remain. It is not an application for an extension of your leave to remain, and it's also not an application for further leave to remain in the UK. It is an application you make when you cannot afford your visa application fee and the IHS fee, and you are asking the government to waive your fee. So that is when they grant it to you, they will give you a code which you would put in, and then your application would be free. It could either be they would give you the full application waived, which means you wouldn't pay your visa and IHS fee, or they can give you part of the application waived, which is you might pay the visa fee but not the IHS fee. So there are some situations where people have a valid leave to remain, and maybe they want to switch to a skilled worker visa, but they've not yet gotten maybe their COS, and they've been promised that within maybe a month they would get their COS, and then they'll be able to put in their skilled worker applications. However, their leave is about to expire within maybe the next week or 2 weeks, and they've seen pocket lawyers and they have told them that, oh, you can put in a fee waiver application to buy time. It's not true. A fee waiver application is not there necessarily to buy time. You can't put in a fee waiver application and then submit an application before a decision is made, but it is not there for you to buy time. If you have a valid leave to remain and then you submit your fee waiver application, you'll be protected under Section 3C, which means that even if your leave expires, because you have put in the fee waiver application, you will still be valid in the UK. However, if you don't make your application before your fee waiver decision is made, you have 10 working days from that date of your fee waiver decision to put in your application. Now, there are three things you have to look at in the fee waiver guidance. The first thing is you have to have a valid leave to remain in the UK before you put in maybe that fee waiver application. You also have just 10 working days after your decision to put in your application. And the application you are submitting should be for what the fee waiver request was for. So fee waivers are usually for private life applications or human rights applications. So it doesn't really cover the skilled worker applications or student applications, graduate route applications. It's usually for human rights application, which is parent route, partner route, private life application. So if you wait and then a decision is made on your fee waiver, you can't put in a skilled worker application. And if your decision is refused, your leave has expired. If after the 10 days you've not put in an application and you have rather instead gone to put in another fee waiver application, that does not protect your leave in the UK. So if you had valid leave before you put in the fee waiver and you wait after the 10 working days to put in another fee waiver, even if you put in another fee waiver within the 10 working days after your decision, you still don't have valid leave. So please, if you are trying to use the fee waiver to buy time, it is not the safest thing to do, because if you wait for a decision to be made, you would have to put in a human rights application. No, sorry, yes, sorry, a human rights application within the 10 working days of your decision. So it can be very risky to use a fee waiver just to buy time if you are a skilled worker and you have valid leave. You can lose your leave by doing that thing. And please remember that a submission of a further fee waiver within that 10 working days of your decision does not extend your Section 3C leave. That means that you will lose your valid leave to remain in the UK. I hope this helped all of us today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay, have a nice day. And then Pamela can't many agent. Pamela brought for the old last me came or court down at you and I'm my lord, see here, right? The band means my lord. My casa DJ positive. All my young question law. Now you find Jim Crawford DJ positive in person obey. But where they come in, okay. I think say I'm going to be one in Castle Cracker. Me lawyer, I'm say also of film no okay number 1 2. Uncle Ben, 1 minute now. You sorry, so what I want.
Yo, OPD. And ne cracker is fee waiver depa. And mama yen hweso yi. Mama yen abuse no. Because who abuse na sometimes no affect was it no. Case I had to buy case of Hussein. Muhu says our case no. Nipa no qualify for indefinite. But because fee waiver no oman no omo year decision the who your yes our second fee waiver no. Not just a overstay. We are skilled worker who overstay a be affect you. And to see a use fee waiver na mo men use ni ye. Would him say what they thought time a men try mo mo year decision. And a memo bin that I say a extension, fee waiver and extension. Nti o the 2 months, not just say within 1 week or 2 weeks, who will be before for a year or year. So when him say was san ko pesi USA, memo mo year decision. Because mo year decision, now I year family application, now ko yes USA, a bit me affect you. OPD, and then way, and I'm remember. Yeah, the video beba out on the employment one. Omo skill workers abaha, yeah, more jumon bit me as you or more employers. Yeah, the name beba, I may add by next week. Nyame hwe nyina da penenso ye besenhia. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yada Uncle asepa. BWF Solicitors here no mo twetwe nkomo. In fact, member also me sorry me kona Uncle Blajo and take it over na. But before me so akoba me kan for BWF Solicitors mo na pay. Utie me na say wo pese won fa won klata assembly na yembo wo say wo pese ko fa wo ba wo yewe wo side chick bi kwa na pese wo ba no twa holidays and wo adam fu person obedi holidays. Ni na yo ho se bebo say wo tin e de o ma ba. Na mpo ebia wo no wo de na wo bi ba tewu but wo hu kwan for so we ni na say yo ho de mobomode hwehwe cha kwan. Ewo aye 4th floor Annan House 214-218 High Road 7 Sisters and pay your postcode N15 4NP and pay friend yen office line 020-8493-7340 020-8493-7340 and now with me for emergency line I was 077-127-61884 077-127-61884. O friend, I bet you so no what you come out na bibia so to me come and pay. I had a member credit medin yes medin add na to jago OPD the second live on Rainbow 92.4 FM night show. Uncle Joe ebe take over no no too far. Na afi no or the ho so e dey abronya me adma Saturday me yenhia ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook wo ye the update na dey ho so e dey me mesro but modern say obe follow Uncle Ben so ni video so ye no so no na we to media for so enya legal advice na no so to me abo na ye kwei na che say ye ntumi nkwa abla minchia me ameyere nana sewa na afi so me ma me madam Ajuba Felicity afi ebusia obi a otie me bia no na me chiamu nyina emre ni ho ye gina me course man hwene ye bebo me tio kwa na ya pa me wo line na he enti me kraw ye me adma next week ye ba sen aba sere bidin kankan no ya kra mo
Rainbow Radio.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.